Hi, this is Kelly Arroyo with Keller Williams, and today I want to talk about if buying a home makes more sense financially than renting one. If rising home prices leave you wondering if it makes more sense to rent a home or buy a home in today's housing market, consider this. It's not just home prices that have risen in the recent years. Rental prices have skyrocketed as well. As a recent article from Realtor.com says, the median rent across the 50 largest metropolitan areas has reached $1,876 in June, a new record level for the 16th consecutive month. That means rising prices will likely impact your housing plans either way. But there are a few key differences that make buying a home more worthwhile option for you than renting. If you need more space, buying a home may be more affordable. What you may not realize is that according to the latest data from the Realtor.com and the National Association of Realtors, it may actually be more affordable to buy than rent depending on how many bedrooms you need. The graph in the email will show you the median rental prices and the median mortgage prices across the country, and it'll kind of show you why. As the graph conveys, if you need more than 2 or more bedrooms, it may be actually more affordable to buy a home even as prices rise. While this doesn't take into consideration the interest deduction or other financial advantages that come with owning a home, it does paint a picture that it is more affordable to buy than to rent for that unit size and the nationwide averages. So if one of the factors motivating you is to move is more space, this could be an added encouragement that you needed for consideration of home ownership. Home ownership also provides stability and a chance to grow your wealth. In addition to being more affordable, depending on how many bedrooms you need, buying has 2 other key factors: payment stability and equity. When you buy a home, you lock in your monthly payment with a fixed mortgage rate. And that's especially important in today's inflationary economy. With inflation prices rising across the board, things like gas and food and groceries and other things, locking in your house payment is more likely your most expensive monthly payment, can provide a greater long-term stability and help shield you from those rising expenses moving forward. Renting doesn't provide that same predictability. A recent article from CNET explains this. If you buy a house and secure a fixed rate on your mortgage, that means that no matter how much the prices or the interest goes up, your fixed payment will stay the same every month. And that's an advantage over renting, since there's a good chance the landlords will be raising the rent to counter inflationary pressure. Not to mention, when you buy, you have the chance to build equity, which in turn grows into net worth. It works like this: as you pay down your home loan over time and as home values continue to appreciate, so does your equity. And that equity can make it easier to fuel a move into a future home if you decide to go bigger later on. Again, CNET article mentioned above helps explain homeownership is still considered one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. And when you make monthly payments, you're building equity in your home that you can tap into later on. When you rent, you aren't investing in your financial future the same way, and you are just paying somebody else's mortgage off. Bottom line, if you're trying to decide whether to rent or buy a home, work with a trusted real estate professional to explore all of those options. With home equity and a shield against inflation on the line, it may make sense for you to buy a home instead of renting. And I, Kelly Arroyo with Keller Williams, would love to help you with that process. So if you're thinking about buying versus renting, let's get the process started. Let's start getting you pre-approved to find out what you qualify for. It would be my honor to help you find a home. Look for my next email. We'll be talking about the real estate world again, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I look forward to talking to you and helping you with all your real estate needs. Have a great day.